Imagine this. You're scrolling through Instagram and you see people your age traveling the world, driving luxury cars, and living their dream lives. And then you glance at your bank account. Ouch. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but it can start today. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful daily habits that can transform your financial health and help you live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Stick around until the end, because habit number 5 is the game changer that most people overlook. But it could be the key to retiring decades earlier than you think. Habit 1. Start each day with a money check-in. Let's kick off with a question. Do you know where your money went yesterday, or did it just vanish into thin air? Here's the deal. Wealthy people track their money like hawks. Each morning, spend 5 minutes checking your account balances and reviewing yesterday's expenses. Why? Because awareness is power. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll never control it. Think of it like checking the weather forecast. You wouldn't leave the house without an umbrella if it's raining, right? Well, don't leave your finances to chance either. Now that you're tracking your money, let's talk about how to put it to work for you. Habit 2. Automate your savings. Here's a fact that might scare you. Most people save what's left after spending. Spoiler alert. There's usually nothing left. But the wealthy? They save first and spend second. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Even $5 a day adds up. Do the math. That's $1,825 a year. Imagine the peace of knowing your future is secure because you made saving a non-negotiable habit. But what about the here and now? Let's dive into the habit that keeps your spending in check. Habit 3. Use the 24-hour rule for purchases. Ever bought something online only to regret it the next day? Yeah, we've all been there. Impulse spending is a financial killer. Here's the fix. Before buying anything that isn't essential, wait 24 hours. This simple pause prevents you from buying things you don't need and keeps your budget intact. Think of it like putting your purchase in a financial quarantine. If it's still healthy tomorrow, go for it. While controlling your spending is important, there's another habit that can actually multiply your money. Ready? Habit 4. Learn something new about money every day. Want to know the difference between you and a millionaire? They know things about money that you don't yet. Spend 15 minutes daily reading articles, listening to podcasts, or watching videos about personal finance. Knowledge compounds, just like money does. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. And speaking of compounding, wait until you hear what habit number 5 can do for your financial future. Habit 5. Visualize your financial goals. Let's get real. Saving money without a goal feels like dieting without a cheat day. It's tough to stick to. Every morning, take 2 minutes to visualize your dream life. Imagine the house you'll live in, the vacations you'll take, the freedom you'll feel. This habit doesn't just keep you motivated. It trains your brain to focus on opportunities that move you closer to your goals. Picture yourself 10 years from now, living the life you've always wanted. What's stopping you from starting today? Now that you have these 5 habits, you're ready to take control of your finances. But there's one more secret you need to know: how the power of compounding can turn small savings into massive wealth over time. Remember, wealth isn't built in a day, but it is built daily. Start these habits now and watch how your life transforms. See you in the next video.